may be asking yourself, can I afford a degree from Mid-State Technical College? Well, for 1/4 the cost of a 4-year school, that's 3/4 for me. Awesome! You get a hands-on education from a college that places 80% of students in their chosen career within 6 months of graduation. Instructors here are experts in their field with strong industry connections. And Mid-State makes your education more convenient with multiple campuses and flexible scheduling, including online classes. I'll go morning session here, gotta have date night. Plus, you get easy access to financial aid and over $250,000 in available scholarships. So, the better question might be, can you afford not to go to Mid-State? Why are you still here? Go apply today!